In a major policy shift that could transform the way land acquisition works in Odisha, the state government is preparing to roll out a brand new resettlement and rehabilitation policy in 2025. Revenue Minister Suresh Pujari announced on Monday that the move aims to ensure that no community will ever again have land taken from them without their consent. The government, he said, has already started work at the highest levels to bring this vision into reality. Under the new framework, the people who lose land will have the power to choose how they want to be compensated. No more one-size-fits-all payouts. Instead, there will be options tailored to their needs and convenience. For example, those displaced could receive land in exchange for land. They could take proportional ownership in the very project that needs their land, becoming stakeholders instead of just recipients of a check. Or they could opt for financial compensation, but only if that's what they truly want. Pujari stressed that the heart of this policy is participatory decision making. The choice, he said, will rest entirely with the people. The government will not impose its will on anyone. The new R&R policy will therefore prioritize giving land for land wherever possible, especially near the displacement site, to protect not just the economic security but also the cultural stability of affected communities.
जमी बदल रे जमी दे लोक चाहिए आम चेष्टा करूँ पैसा कंपेनसेशन देले आम देखुचु जे पैसाटा वर्षे 2 वर्ष 3 वर्ष भितर सरी जाउची समस्ते व्यापार करबाटा शिखी नाहंती जनजाति संप्रदायर लोक माने तांकर पैसा अपेक्षा तांकर जमी प्रति बेसी आग्रह जमी रे तांकर जन्म जमी रे तांकर मृत्यु एवं जमी ही तांकर सर्वस्व तो से भली आदिवासी लोक जोटी विस्थापन होउतिबे एवं पाखरे राजस्व जमी थिबो एवं से माने चाहिए क्षतिपूर्ण बदल रे जमी नेबा पई तांका पई जमीर व्यवस्था करिया पई आमे चिंता करूछु केते जमी अछि जो जगह विस्थापन हम से पाखे जमी अच्छी कि तार उपरे निर्भर करुच्ची तेणु यहाँ ऑप्शनल हम जो मैंने